the size of that cornice.
Problem is, it's a little flat lander right here.
It is flat.
And I usually hit this line over here, but
Roll in right over here. Roll there, see? Roll right here.
Whoa! Holy shit!
Marty? He's all right.
Hey!
I got it on video. Yeah.
Where is Marty?
He's right there. He's all right. Marty, walk around or something.
Holy shit.
Because there's more that could break off.
Yeah, you're in a bad spot.
Yeah, get away from that.
I was like, dude,
Marty does it again. Hey, can you come over to this area here?
Marty's gonna help start getting up.
What? What are you thinking? Wow. Pull me back. Marty, grab a leg. Right there. Right here, Marty. Woo! Fucking Marty.